Hi, I'm Spencer from Still Moving. A lot of people ask what's in the bag when we go out on photo shoots, so we thought we'd get one of our key bags out and show you what's in it. This is the Manfrotto Reloader Air-55. It's a very, very handy bag and we use it a lot, especially if we're going away on shoots. We've got various little compartments, so it's quite handy for storing different things. In this one, I've jammed in a tether cable because we like to try and shoot tethered where we can. Our laptop, our various handy bits and pieces, batteries, essential piece of equipment, bounce. So this is really handy. This is the new Elastilite Halo. Very small compartment. You've got the option of diffusion as well as white and silver bounce in there. So rather than taking anything too big, we like to keep something small in there for when we need it, but it's very, very handy. In the next one down, we have our filter pouch. So in this particular one, we've got a ND and a polarizer. With this, we'll just mix and match. So we've got different lens sizes in here. We've got 72, 88 and a 77. So we just need to make sure we put the right filters in there for it. Here's an L bracket. This is very handy, especially if you're doing landscape or architectural work, but even if you're doing fashion shoots and you want to switch from landscape to portrait very quickly. So we always try and make sure we go out with that. Camera body 1, 5DS Canon here, 5D4. We always make sure we take 2 cameras. There's nothing worse than having a problem with a camera and being on set with everything you need, everybody ready to go, but then not having a camera to be able to shoot with, so we always take a backup. 70-200, an 85mm 1.2, which is my favorite lens, a 24-70. So this is, a pretty universal collection of lenses. Tape, very important to have tape, especially if you're doing anything in the corporate world, making sure that people are stood where they're meant to be standing. And we have a broncolor trigger. We also have a little box here which has got our memory cards in, as well as a backup hard drive. So in here, we have our Sikonic light meter. We're trying to be really consistent with our lighting and making sure that we always do lighting diagrams at the end of the shoots. So by going out on location, especially if we're going back to the same client and doing multiple shoots with them, making sure that we know the position and the lighting power of our strobes is really important. Speed lights, and in this little pouch that comes with the bag, we have some grips and we have the protection, the waterproof protection for the bag. So that is what's in the bag today. Any questions?